Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. And in this video we'll talk about what is generative AI. Because generative AI from last 2 years it is a buzzword, okay? Everyone going to do something in generative AI, everyone going to learn in generative AI. So what actually generative AI is? We saw this some of the model like ChatGPT we use also, ChatGPT, Gemini. So ChatGPT, Gemini, and these are the model they are using Gen AI model behind, okay? So what actually is generative AI? First, let's talk about what position generative AI comes under in the field of AI. Okay. First, we'll see the image that AI is the whole big circle, and under AI comes ML. We also know this. What is ML? Machine learning. What machine learning actually do this? Machine learning, if you train some data based on your data set, machine learning gives some output, gives some prediction like email spam or not, house prices, sentiment, house prices, and many things. You can do this with the help of your data set, training data set. Okay. Rather than that, machine learning can't do anything. Then comes in the deep learning. When the machine learning fails, the deep learning comes. Deep learning behind the use neural network to find the pattern relationship between the data. Okay. And under the deep learning the GNI comes, okay, because deep learning there are some algorithm like LSTM, transformer, GAN, and then the generative AI models comes, okay, from the deep learning. So what is actually generative AI? So generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that creates new content such as text, images, music, or code by learning patterns from the existing data by mimicking human creativity. Okay. So let's give an example. Okay. Like suppose we are human. So like suppose we have 10 lots of data set. Okay. Like we have a data set on cats. Okay. So we have read 10 books or 20 books on the cats. So like if anyone can ask any question about text about cat, I can give you the answer because we read lots of book about cat. So like generative AI also same, okay. In the behind like ChatGPT, they use all the entire data set that is have in the internet they're using to train the model, so that on the based on the data set they can create new text, images, or music. Okay, that is what generative AI. It's the only thing that can create new images, text based on your prompts. Okay, by learning past data. This is we can say what is generative AI is. Okay, generative AI in the very vast field. Right now we can see this. The new technology comes agentic AI, AI agent. Okay, because AI is a thing that revolutionizing so fast. Some of the areas that can impact on the generative AI, like customer support, like past days we or and now we see this, you need someone to reply customer queries, but if you use generative AI models, they can handle all of the customer queries. Okay, they can reply based on the customer question. This is also you can say this, the generative AI can impact on customer supports, um, support areas. Okay, like education also, like in the past days when ChatGPT is not there, if you going to need something explain something new complex topic, going to learn new topic, or going to solve any math problem, you have to go to the teacher. But right now you can just give a prompt that I am going to not able to understand this, you can easily understand by the AI models like ChatGPT. Also in the case of software development, like if you if you use a generative AI to use to make your code or write your code, like if you are going to write a need a function to make something, So you can write this in the ChatGPT that I am going to make something, please write the code on this. So this is also, you can use generative AI to software development field. Right now it is not possible to make end-to-end product, end-to-end software using generative AI, but branch of code you can write down using generative AI. Okay. Also it can create impact on content creation. You can easily create content, usually you can create script, thumbnails using generative AI. Also you can use backend music using generative AI, background um, video also you can use, create generative AI using generative AI. Okay, graphic designer also create logo using generative AI. So it will, generative AI also will impact on content creation, healthcare and medicine, because it, it can more impact on future. Okay, healthcare is a thing that can actually get impact in the future, because right now we can go to the doctor, but in the future we not able to go to the doctor for normal tasks, normal illness. Okay, like fever and anything, something else. We can also analyze parts of reports using generative AI models easily. You can do this in a low price. So this is the use of generative AI, impact areas of generative AI. There is many more impact areas, but I just write down some of the most common impact areas on generative AI. So this is the video. If you like this video, please thumbs up, and if you have a query, please let me in the comment section. Thank you guys.